Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo, where today we'll be covering some amazing excavators for you to learn about. And you'll definitely want to see how a 200-ton excavator does its job. First up, we have the Volvo EX950. It's a 90-ton excavator designed to perform extreme heavy-duty tasks. A range of buckets from 5.1 to 10 cubic yards can be attached to this beast. The excavator features a wide track gauge, a retractable undercarriage, and optimized counterweights. These parts can be dismantled for ease of transportation. Its 603 horsepower Volvo D16 engine delivers high torque at low RPM. All the control panels are ergonomically positioned for the operator's comfort and convenience. Its low noise and spacious cab further enhances operator comfort and performance. Next, we have the CAT 6060 FS, a 660-ton hydraulic shovel tailor-made for heavy-duty mining operations. Its 34 cubic meter bucket can handle 67 tons in a single pass, enabling this machine to load a 250-ton truck in just 4 turns. Its smaller diameter boom cylinders need less oil to lift the load, providing faster movement. Its crawler unit is made by casting one piece, which features 2 different track systems for maneuvering and mining. The 6060 FS has 2 diesel engines, delivering a combined output of 2,240 kilowatts. Up next is the R9800, also known as the world's biggest backhoe excavator from Liebherr. It is designed and built for both shovel and backhoe configurations. With its 62.1 cubic yard excavating bucket, loading a giant dumper in 3 passes is quite possible. It can also be equipped with a 54.9 cubic yard shovel bucket to scoop up 84 tons of material in a single take. It is powered by 2 huge 16-cylinder V engines that provide a combined 4,000 horsepower. Each day, a typical excavator consumes around 20,000 gallons of gasoline. The R9800 is 30% larger than conventional excavators, yet only uses 15% more gasoline. Next, we have the KOMATSU PC2000-11, which is a 200-ton class excavator. Due to its huge material handling capacity and responsive hydraulics, the mine owner can enjoy 12% more production. The excavator bucket capacity ranges from 15.7 to 17.9 cubic yards. Its spacious cab is loaded with cutting-edge technology. The operator can see a bird's-eye view of the machine, adjust the air ride seat to his comfort, and actuate the lever using his hands or his feet. The lock lever prevents accidents. From safety to comfort, the KOMATSU PC2000 serves its crew with its state-of-the-art technology. The XE7000 is known as the largest mining excavator made by China. It offers a 34 cubic meter bucket with a digging depth of 3,800 millimeters. The excavator is equipped with intelligent monitoring and fault self-diagnosis systems to ensure safe and efficient operation. Its 1,193 kilowatt engine delivers 6,835 Newton-meters of torque at 1,500 RPM, enabling the XE7000 to deal with extreme operations with efficiency and power. Moreover, it can be configured to shovel or backhoe. You are looking at the DX350LC-7, a 36-ton crawler excavator from Doosan. It comes standard with a 2.32 cubic meter bucket, offering a 12.2 meter digging reach with a 25.9-ton digging force. Its 290 horsepower 6-cylinder engine is equipped with the Smart Power Control system, which optimizes the pump output and the diesel engine and reduces fuel consumption. Its undercarriage features unique chains composed of sealed, self-lubricating links for long-term dependability. Its cab incorporates a suspension system for vibration reduction, a 360-degree camera system for full visibility, and fingertip controls for convenience. In short, it's an engineering marvel. Next, we have the EX8000-6, Hitachi's largest mining shovel. It is powered by two engines producing 1,944 horsepower each that includes fuel optimization technology that enables it to function in the most demanding tasks. Its rigid box construction resists twisting and bending forces, providing stability and strength on any work. Rugged bottom rollers, track shoes, and drive tumblers support the massive body for greater durability. The robust cab protects operators from falling items. Its big cab gives unobstructed view of the working area. Folding stairs with broad steps makes it simple to access, service, and maintain. Last but not least, we have the JCB220X. It is a 24-ton excavator machine equipped with a 1.25 cubic meter bucket and a 129 kilowatt engine. its unique quick hitch system allows the operator to replace the attachment head from the cab. Double cushion viscous mounts have been used to reduce vibration and noise in the cab. Operators can select auto stop and auto idle depending on preference. A power boost button is placed in controls to provide extra tear out in tough conditions. This beast is capable of working in extreme conditions ranging from 55 degrees Celsius to -30 degrees Celsius. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you check out one of these two for some of the mining machines these excavators might work with. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.